Navio, welcome to the Jakatae farm life in the Labuland. Here is the coffee shop and my house. Today we have some ceremony and also we have a party. Today is the ceremony for the farm life. We say thank you for the spirit to protect the thing that we are growing. Now in the farm rice, I grow the rice. Now is the seed is open, and also I have some bean. And around here, I grow many things. And now you see the banana flower, and close to me is lemongrass. And I want to say that in the farm life, I grow many kind of the herbal. I grow the pulai and ginger, coffee, corn. This flower corn. You can have this corn before the normal corn. Normal corn, you have to wait for 3 months. And the taste is the taste is not very tasty. But this one is the real one from the Lao people. That's I like it, and that's why I go around. And now we are in the pulai. It's a pulai and the farm life, and you see after around the roots they're gonna be flower. You can make the steam and put in the sauce and put in the mouth. The taste is fantastic. I cannot explain more, but I want everybody to try this in the farm life in the future. And also everything is organic. That is the good food. Right? It's good for the body. Farm life is a challenge. And yes, I want to say that we learn something together and do something together. I don't know everything, but if you come, we can share. I want to hear your idea, and I can share my idea to you, and keep doing together, learn something together. I want to share the plate with the people that they love the nature like me, and maybe you too. Love you.